Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change language on Google Map. So let's have a look now. I start by opening Google Map. Now go to the top right and click on your profile icon. Then go down and click on settings. Now click on app language. Then you will see a list of available language. Select your preferred language from the list. Click on OK. After that, restart your application to make changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.